what did happen to the last 10?
Waiting for breakfast. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. So right now I'm on my way to pay for my installation because I want to get an install. So right now I'm on my way to pay. As you can see, free and ready. Everything is set. So I want to go and pay for my installation. Then I go back to work, and then I come back and do the install after work at like 5. So now I'm on my way there. I want to pass by Ferry Cafe and get my change. And in Ferry Cafe, any change, Miss Why? I want to get my change by Ferry Cafe for like $6. Much. I didn't think I could have just left it. But, right, guys, change collected. Now I'm going to Maya Mall to pay for the install. Then I come back to work and do the render later. So I'll catch you guys when I get to the mall. On gang! Woo! The sun is sunny. The sun is sunny, guys. I'm here by guys, I'm now by Amaya Mall, just by the corner before the mall. Just by the corner before the mall. Let's see what's up. Let's see if I like the things, because I just ordered it online, and so you know these online things, guys. Sometimes kind of basic big time online. So let me see. Hi. Sure.
Oh, chẳng có mà lại phân.
Guys, it's after work now, and I'm going. I'm just here to see my friend who likes credits. One moon always credit. Hey, guys, umuntu lo guys, ngalithethe uyi hot plate enjani. Sengihamba.
Sabona kusasa bona. Let's rest.
Wanamhla sivala. Wanasami. Guys, so I'm off. I'm going to get my install. I'm going to get my install now, and then yeah. So now I'm walking there because it's close by. Paduze. So I can just walk there quickly. I'm trying to avoid many people. Rush hour. You know when you're walking, there's also congestion when you're walking, guys. There's so many people in town. There's so many people in town. That's a kind of fame. Bye. Hello. So I'm trying to rush. I'm literally in a rush because of time. I promised it. Guys, people with cars miss my guys, what just to do my town because it's not motor. It's fine. It's chilled. It's chilled. When I have my own car, guys, let's subscribe, like, share, comment, so that we get our own car. It's just so. You're not ready. You're not ready, guys. You're not ready. But I trust you guys. I know my head's kichaona. A video to like, to subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend. Yes. So guys, let me just walk there real fast, and then and then I'll wish you guys up when I'm there. Vlogging in town. You know. People can just mind their own business. How do you mind their own business? Watch from work, I saw camera, which is sick. Comment section. I'm watching you guys. I'm watching you. But yeah, guys, we out here on the streets of the praise guys, don't mind why I'm no longer wearing my jersey. Yo, I'm choosing but now I'm at Bradlow's. I just got to Bradlow's and I want to go to floor 6. So let's see. Yes.
Oh, I see. Oh, that's really good.
Alright, cool. Guys, I just saw a fellow content creator. Yo guys, it's so good to see people who are like doing content, you know. Let's start. Let's go. Floor 6. I'm looking for 612. Which side? 611. 612. Hello. Hi. Yeah. She went out. Yeah. Okay. I wanted to come and do my install. I'm not going out to be a oh, okay. Guys, so I just go to the shop and the lady is telling me that she's not there. I should come to Adam's lie. Amana. Professionalism, guys. Professionalism. But anyway, it's fine. Let me go there. But I'm Sagaro. So I tell you, if you know the distance from Bradlow's to HNSR.
At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set them rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. One day I'll be One day I'll be yours. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. Life changes just open the door. One thing's certain, I'll always be yours. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours. At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set them rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest
I'm finally done. And I'm going home. Home. I'm just going to go and Kokwira Mana. Then I go home. So I don't know if we'll continue this vlog tomorrow or this is the end. See you tomorrow or in another vlog.